Huawei's next flagship lineup is already creating buzz, and this time it's not just about design. New leaks suggest that the Huawei Pura 90 series could bring a major performance upgrade thanks to a new set of Kirin 5G chipsets. And what makes this even more interesting is that Huawei might not use just one processor across the lineup. Instead, the company is expected to use 3 different chipsets, each tailored for a specific model. According to recent leaks, the standard model of the Pura 90 series could run on the Kirin 9020. The Pro version may step up to the Kirin 9030, while the top-end variant, possibly called the Pro Max, could feature the even more powerful Kirin 9030 Pro. This kind of setup shows that Huawei is focusing heavily on performance differences between models, rather than offering the same experience across all devices. Let's break it down in simple terms. The Kirin 9020 expected in the base model is already a strong chip. It was first introduced with Huawei's Mate 70 series, and offers a noticeable improvement over older processors. With a mix of high performance and efficiency cores, it delivers around 30 to 40% better performance and power efficiency compared to previous versions. That alone is impressive. But things get more interesting with the Kirin 9030. This chip is designed to push performance even further. It comes with a more advanced CPU setup and uses a powerful GPU called Mali 935. Overall, it's expected to deliver about 35% better system performance. That means smoother multitasking, faster app loading, and better gaming performance. And then there's the Kirin 9030 Pro. This is where Huawei seems to be aiming for top-tier performance. The Pro version adds even more cores, increasing its processing power. Early benchmarks suggest it could deliver up to a 42% boost in certain scenarios compared to previous chips. So basically, each step up in the lineup brings a noticeable jump in performance. Now let's put this into perspective. The previous generation, the Huawei Pura 80 series, didn't offer this kind of variety. The Pro and Ultra models used the Kirin 9020, while the base version came with a different chip, the Kirin 9010S. With the Pura 90 series, Huawei is changing that approach. Even the base model is expected to deliver performance similar to what the higher-end Pura 80 models offered. That means users who go for the standard version won't feel like they're missing out as much as before. At the same time, the Pro and Pro Max versions will push performance even further, setting a new benchmark for Huawei's flagship devices. This strategy makes a lot of sense. It gives users more choice. If you want solid performance at a lower price, the base model should be more than enough. But if you're looking for the best possible speed and power, the higher-end models will be there to deliver. Another important detail is 5G support. All 3 chipsets are expected to support 5G connectivity, which ensures fast internet speeds and better network performance. That's now a must-have feature for flagship phones, and Huawei seems to be fully committed to it. Of course, it's important to remember that these details are based on leaks. Huawei hasn't officially confirmed the chipsets yet, so things could still change. But if the information turns out to be accurate, the Pura 90 series could represent a big step forward in performance. It's not just about making one powerful phone. It's about creating a lineup where each model offers a clear upgrade over the other, and that could make the Pura 90 series more appealing to a wider range of users. In the end, Huawei seems to be focusing on one key idea: giving users more power, more choice, and a better overall experience. If these new Kirin chips deliver as expected, the Pura 90 series could easily become one of the most powerful smartphone lineups in its category.